Are they having a Dodge Ram ProMaster van meet? Speaking of van meets, the next Enthusiast van meet is in March, 4 months away. I got a bunch of stickers for the next van meet. I have 50 of them. I'll give each one of you 5 because you're gonna have at least 5 fuel stops on this van meet. 462.1 miles traveled. This is gonna be expensive. There's my fuel gauge. The needle is right at the top of the E. $4.51 per gallon. $140. The sad thing is, I might not even be topped off. I stopped using my card because cards only go up to $75 on this pump. My first van meet had 2 participants, so this might be the first ever Dodge ProMaster van meet. I should look it up on YouTube, then I'll leave these guys a comment. Hey, I saw your van meet. It looks like I'm topped off. I'll top off again in about 50 miles just to make sure. I know it's not going to cost too much my next fill up. Hopefully this traffic doesn't last too long. I still have an uphill mountain climb to go, 19 miles away. Only 55.6 miles traveled on this current tank. This should cost me less than $30, so I'll actually use my card. The card stops at 75. Since it's only going to be around 30, I'll use my card. So I have plenty of these stickers to give away at the next Enthusiast van meet. If your mommy's giving you gas money and the high fuel prices don't bother you, you could give your free stickers to your mommy. I'm sure she'll appreciate them. $4.45 per gallon. $27.81. I got 9 miles per gallon. 1 hour of traffic, climbing a mountain. That thing's not gonna be fun to fill up.